my name is Bianca and I'm part of the marketing team at Cubeo AI. Today I'm going to show you how to build your own AI Content Repurposing Agent. This agent will help you turn one piece of content into many, saving time while maximizing reach and consistency across platforms. This is the prompt I will use. What we need is an AI agent that takes long-form content that I provide, such as a blog post, video transcript, podcast summary, or LinkedIn post, and repurpose it into multiple short-form formats. It should also generate platform-optimized versions such as carousels, tweets, or others, and the repurposed content must always stray true to the original message, but of course adapt the tone and structure to fit each platform's best practices. Let's see. Now our content repurposer is ready. Let's try it. First of all, we have to take a look at the settings. As we can see, we have the name of the assistant, the description, the AI model. You can select another one from the ones that are available in the platform, the AI assistant instructions, and the visibility. You can also change this one, private or public. Now, this is the prompt I will use. We have a blog post from our website about marketing statistics. What we need from this agent is to repurpose it into a LinkedIn carousel, Instagram caption, email snippet, and a short 30-second video script. The agent should keep the tone professional and insightful, include key statistics, a strong hook, and a clear call to action in each format. Now the analysis is ready. We have the key takeaways and what we have asked for. The LinkedIn carousel, as we can see, it has 8 slides along with the call to action, hashtags, and optimization notes. Instagram caption along with hashtags and other optimization notes. The email snippets with subject line and hook, the main content. Then we have the 30-second video script, and it can say when you should film each one of these paragraphs. And this is all. These are all the steps you have to follow. Now you will have scroll stopping content for every platform without rewriting a single word. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials on different marketing use cases.